This question is going to relate some information about slope point form to what you learned previously about parallel and perpendicular lines. So we are going to write the equation of a line that passes through this point S, and we're going to write it in slope point form, which is y minus y1 is equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x1 in brackets. Again, what we need for this equation is we need to know the slope, and we need to know a point or an x1 and y1 value. Now we have a point, it's given, it's point S. So our x1 value is going to be 2 and our y1 value is going to be negative 3. What we don't know is the slope, but we can get it because this line is parallel to the line y equals 3x plus 5. And what we previously learned about parallel lines is that parallel lines have the exact same slope. So the slope of this line, since the slope of the line here is 3, the equation of our line is going to have the exact same slope, which is also 3. So now that we know this information, we can fill it in here into our formula, y minus y1, which is negative 3, and the slope is 3, and we have x minus x1, x1 is 2. Now we just need to simplify this part, which is y plus 3. Since it's y subtract negative 3, it'll be y plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 2. And this is the equation of a line that passes through the point S and is parallel to this line. Now we're looking for a line that passes through this point S and is perpendicular to this line. So the one difference is going to be with the slope. We're going to use the exact same point, this point S, so we know our x1 and our y1 again is 2 and negative 3. The difference here is with our slope. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So if the slope of this line is 3, the negative reciprocal of 3 is we take this slope and we flip it, which is the reciprocal of it, and we negate it, or we make it negative. So here it's positive, so this one has to be negative 1/3. So again, this is the negative reciprocal of 3. Now that we know this, we can substitute this information in the formula again, which is y minus negative 3, and the slope this time is negative 1/3, x subtract 2. And we'll simplify this so that it's y plus 3 equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. And this is how you solve problems that refer back to parallel and perpendicular lines. Use this information to figure out what the slope will be.